Hey guys, it's KAyLA and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a really easy hairstyle. So let's get on to the video. Pick the hair you want to curl, but don't pick too much or it won't work. Now put your finger under the hair you picked, then roll it under your finger and then up to the ceiling and then again until you run out of hair. Don't do it too hard or it'll be hard to take out. Now get a clip and put the bottom of it through the inside circles and then clip it. I usually leave this on all night and it'll stay a long time, but to speed up the process I put water on it so you can see the result. Here's how it looks. It more looks like a wave, but when you leave it on all night, it looks like a curl. I'll show you some pictures of how it turned out and how it turns out when you leave it on all night. Something to keep in mind is when you comb it, it takes out the sharpness. Now I didn't have this in long, so it came out easy. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super simple, and if you leave it in overnight, you don't need to put water in, and it'll stay in for a long time. I hope you enjoy. Yeshua loves you and test everything. Bye!